See his dance moves now.
Body is full flexible.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on Jagame Thandiram teaser.
Yes, we have Dhanush, Aishwarya, Lakshmi, and the movie is written and directed by Karthik Subbaraj.
Okay, right.
Okay, so the name of Dhanush in this movie is Suruli.
Right.
Okay, तो सुरुली बहुत सारे मैजिक क्रिएट करने वाले हैं इन मूवी में. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. दे हैव नॉट ऑफिशियली रिलीज्ड व्हेन दिस मूवी इज गेटिंग रिलीज्ड इन नेटफ्लिक्स,
But I am not
very
sure
soon.
in description they haven't
mentioned
revealed
actually
anything,
coming
but
soon to
yes.
Netflix. Okay, so let's get started to see the teaser. Already we have done the motion poster of Jagame Thandiram, which is already there in this channel, and please go and check that out. That motion poster was unreal.
Yes.
बंदूक बहुत एकदम rowdy
रेस्टोरेंट काइंड ऑफ
हाँ केडो was there. तो एकदम revolver लेके he was looking damn. Okay, so let's get started. But before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe this channel and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yes, so let's get started.
Yes.
Who's this guy, Surili?
Surli is the most dangerous, notorious gangster ever seen in your life.
சுருளி நீ ரவுடி பையலாம்டா நேத்து கூட ஒரு கொலைய பண்ணிட்டு தான் வந்திருக்கியா
Bad music, Ratika.
Ratika नहीं Rakita.
आरा नंबर सेट कैंसिल
ಯಾರು ಅದು ಕೊಂಗಾಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
See his dance moves now.
Body is full flexible.
Flexible, that's true, right?
Energetic.
Oh my god.
ये तो हमारा विसर्जन डांस है
Alright.
किसी भी तरीके से.
Same as before. No killing. And you, keep your mouth zipped.
ಚರ್ರ ಪೋತಿಟ್ಟು ಪೋಡ
Right, start up.
Let's Rakita. Okay, it was just a teaser, small teaser, 1 minute 16 seconds only. So क्यों इतने जल्दी खत्म हो गए यार? It should be
We
a
were
little
enjoying
long.
this teaser particularly. Yes.
I really love in the like
The
throughout
background
the whole
music,
teaser
right?
the background music and where Dhanush sir was dancing
like anything.
like energetically dancing. ये dance को हम बोलते हैं विसर्जन dance. Okay, मतलब everyone can dance.
Right,
This
right.
dance actually is Indians' identity. You can say everybody can dance this
Yes,
dance.
because it
किसी भी
doesn't need
तरीके-
any kind of special movement.
हाँ, in Hindi we used to say it as a Nagin dance. वो उसमें
Not
वो
Nagin
था,
dance,
वो
that is-
रहता है.
that is particular
That is
specialty,
particular
right?
Visarjan dance. Yes,
Visarjan dance you can
it
do.
was awesome, and he was the rowdy. I think he because that grandma
Gangster, he became gangster, right?
gangster. हाँ, old lady was telling no that क्या किया रे तूने कि सब कोई तुझे gangster बोल रहा है. I am telling in my Hindi words like
Yes.
it was like that. Like what you have done, everybody is telling you as a gangster.
And he's the most dangerous
He was looking
gangster.
like that only, dangerous gangster because
And a
चश्मा
peculiar
उश्मा
kind of
लगा के.
gangster, right?
Yeah.
So I think he started with small things, and then he
Yeah.
became a top level gangster.
Maybe
right?
he has owned a restaurant. That's why he was telling no that don't deliver food to that table. Something
Okay.
he was telling.
Ah.
And also in the motion poster also he was sitting in front of a big table and he
Yes,
was holding
exactly.
the revolver and all,
Right.
wearing spec and all. So maybe he is owning a restaurant and after that he has become the gangster or rowdy. Maybe eventually
But
we
in
don't
the last
know.
in the last scene,
How?
whatever you have seen that no killings.
No killings.
And you shut your mouth.
Shut your mouth. So I think here we are able to see a lot of humor,
Yes.
and funny contents also as
Yes.
well.
I think it will not contain just only serious kind of
Ha.
action, killing too much.
Yes.
It will not be like that. But where Dhanush sir is there, so I
We
think
can
he will be
expect.
in the mood of too much comedy as well as killing, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And I think Dhanush sir hai to we can expect singing also, like he can sing some songs also maybe.
Okay.
क्योंकि he is a very good singer, we all know
Yes.
that he's very talented, मतलब extremely talented. He is a singer, he is a producer, he is an actor. what not,
And
dancer.
also we have seen his character, similar character in Mari,
In
right?
Mari, हाँ,
There was
similar
also
only,
he was
yeah,
like a
little bit.
gangster and all. He
Yes.
was looking like that.
We have already given the reaction recently. The Mari emotion, not emotional, that
proposal
scene. Yes,
Yes.
romantic kind of. Yes. So yeah, Dhanush sir का appearance ऐसा है ना, he is having a very sparkly kind of attitude. Okay, and everybody will admire him for this attitude. He is having a very lean, flexible body, and like he is very flexible. It is looking like he is eating, but nothing is going into. We are eating and everything like we are just क्या बोले
Hello, sir, how he's
कुछ
maintaining
भी खाए
those
एकदम
things?
फूलते जाते हैं, but he is just well maintained and very मतलब very talented.
Right.
His expression
Yes.
and everything is like
Yes, of
outstanding.
course.
Bomb.
And one more thing, like I don't know the meaning of Rakita, but that
Rakita.
kind of energetic song, right?
Maybe कुछ तो होगा इसका meaning. What is the
Yes.
meaning of Rakita? You can
also
just
don't know.
let us know. And I think वो हो सकता है कुछ एक बोल सकते हो कि पार्टी काइंड ऑफ कुछ हो सकता है, मे बी नॉट श्योर. मतलब पार्टी मीन्स इन द सेंस लाइक कुछ ब्लास्ट kind of like have blast, let's have a blast kind of like that.
Okay. It can be, it
So
can be. And
yeah,
overall, how much rating you want to give to this?
I will
particular
give
picture?
out 10 out of 10.
Yes.
10 out of 10.
On what basis can you tell?
Yes, the basis is the whole scene was like full on energetic, full on beats, full on dance, and as a youngster, what else we will
Exactly.
want, right?
Yeah. And
Because
also,
we are in star, we want like dhamaka.
Yes, and also we can feel like that there will be a lot of comedies
Comedies
right?
also will be there.
He will be not like a serious gangster.
No.
He will be killing with a lot of humor as well. So that kind of scene also will attract a lot of the youngsters.
A lot of
also,
the
right?
youngsters, yes. I don't say much about the storyline, to be very frank, because only the motion poster and teaser for 1 minute only has got released. So
Yes.
don't know about the storyline,
But
complete
it's tough
storyline.
to judge the
But
storyline as well,
yes,
right?
it is not easy to understand the whole context of it.
Yes.
But yes, what I can understand it is very having a very interesting touch. I think
Yes.
because धनुष सर का सारा मूवी में ऐसा kind of uniqueness रहता है.
But I don't think that there will be too much unique. It will be
Yeah.
type of a gangster.
हाँ, मतलब
or,
not that.
Initially, they have
Yes.
started with some type of a small things.
Business, kind of like
not
a-
business, but a small kind of gunda you can show. They started as
Local
a small
gunda.
local gunda and all. You
After
can
that
say.
he has become
After
that.
that, he has gradually improved a lot to become a big gangster.
in this process गुंडा के
Yes.
gang में.
And he will be a kind of that gangster. You can give him anything. He will do it.
He will do it, yes.
You want to steal a bank, robbery a bank, or anything, he can do it.
Foreign
Locations
people,
are
locations
also
are there. Foreign
so
people
might
also
be
are associated.
he
I
got
think maybe.
promoted or
He
has
went somewhere.
made his level like that. The foreigners are also hiding him.
Yeah. So
Exactly.
he has went somewhere. I think maybe some incident will be happened, or he has brought his business. I think he has having a
Or
business,
maybe
kind of like that.
he want to like take some revenge with somebody. That's why
Maybe.
he went there like that. Right?
After that, he will be returning to the home,
Yes.
to the village or something like where the grandma was telling.
And I think
that
it will
Dadima.
consist of a little bit a love story as well, right?
It will be having love story because
Yes.
that lady was there, Aishwarya,
Yes.
I think.
Yes.
So it will have मतलब complete package. Maybe whole family can sit and watch together
Yes.
because Dhanush sir ka movie we can rely on that.
Yes.
Not sure though, but yes, we are definitely waiting to get the trailer out now.
Yes.
After the trailer only, we will be like.
Right. Netflix
Understanding
haven't
more.
revealed that when this movie is going to
Yes.
release, so maybe
Maybe they can
in
declare.
coming month it can be, right?
It can be. Maybe
So,
they will
they will declare with the
declare.
trailer.
Declare with the trailer.
Yes.
Okay, so yes, this is very energetic and it is kind of reminding me of Master ka wo Master's Vati coming. Okay, so
that is also becoming
that
a
is
theme
because
kind
why
of song,
it is
right?
it is also having beat.
Yes.
Okay, here this song also is having beat.
Yes.
Rakita, and that is also Vati coming.
Right. And in this particular,
like
they
that.
have used a local drum and all, right?
Yes, they always do like that only. That is the speciality of India. Okay, इतना बड़ा एकदम expensive musical instruments की जरूरत नहीं है. Only ये बजा के भी हो सकता है, like wood or table, anything.
Exactly.
So yes, that is it for today's video. We are feeling very happy, and yes, Jagame Tandiram is going to be another blockbuster.
Yes.
I think we are continuously seeing blockbuster movies now.
Lot of the great movies because
January से
all
शुरू हुआ है.
all those movies got stuck in 2020, so are
Yeah.
getting slowly released.
Slowly released. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I think we have talked a lot about this movie, and we are hoping that the trailer soon get released, and then again we'll be like seeing and talking with you guys about Jagame Thandiram. So yeah, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.